Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope everyone is well. If you're new here, my name is Zainab and thank you for clicking in today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make brownies. So stay tuned for this video, and if you do like, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and of course, let's get into the video. First, I'm going to show you guys the ingredients. So we need a half cup of melted butter. We need about 3 to 4 tablespoons of dark chocolate. I want more chocolatey, so I'm going to add chocolate as well. And we need 3 eggs. We need half cup of cocoa powder. We need a vanilla essence. We need flour, a cup of flour, some salt, a half teaspoon of baking powder, and we'll need also a half cup of condensed milk. Now in a bowl, mix melted butter, condensed milk, and guys, if you don't have condensed milk, you can add sugar, a half cup of sugar, okay? And we're going to add in cocoa powder. We're going to add our melted dark chocolate, and then we're going to mix that up. Now I'm adding eggs. I'm going to mix it again until it's everything combined. Now add the dry ingredients, which is flour, baking powder, and salt. We're going to sieve this together and we're going to mix it. Okay, we are not done, but after the flour comes together, we adding a vanilla essence. We going to mix that together again about 1 minute. So I have prepared my baking pan already. I just grease with some butter and I placed a baking pepper. So I'm transferring the butter into the baking pan, and I'm going to bake in 108-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. In meanwhile, I'm going to prepare chocolate syrup. So in a pot, I'm going to add 2 cups of full cream milk. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of condensed milk. I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and I'm going to cook it until it's thicker. After 10 to 15 minutes, this is how it looks like. So this is the consistency which we need. As you can see, guys, nice and thick. Yeah, so now I'm going just to let it cool down and bring my cake. Now we're going to remove the cake from the pan. It was after 10 minutes of removing from the oven, guys, because I was still busy with the chocolate syrup. I just leave it one side. Yeah, so now we just remove that pepper and we're going to let it cool down. Yeah, we're gonna leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes before adding the chocolate syrup. So it was after already 10 to 15 minutes here. It was after 15 minutes. Yeah, so I'm going to add the chocolate syrup and I'm going to spread it, and then yeah. So far so good. Now I'm going to decorate my brownies using the nuts. It's this nuts is a mix of cashew nuts and the what do you call it, oh my god, and the almonds. So I just chop that, and also the chocolate I chop it. And yeah, guys, after adding all the nuts and the chocolate, I'm going to now slice it. And voila, look how beautiful it looks, guys. It was not only beautiful, guys, it was so delicious. It's just so perfect for the people like chocolate cakes. It was really good, guys. So I preferred to add ice cream because I don't like too chocolate cake. I'm not a chocolate person, so this was like too much for me. I decided to add ice cream and it was so delicious. So guys, thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you like and share as well. I will see you guys in my next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye.